Let's assemble our 18-inch by 24-inch solar flashing LED rectangle retrofit kit by TRAFFICTHINGZ. If you look closely at the ends of each individual light bar, you will see a small plus and minus sign. This is important to note when connecting your light bars to the corner pieces. Snap the light bar and corner piece together, and repeat the process until you have a completed frame. This is not how your assembled pieces should look. Put the plus sign on the outer side of one bar and on the inner side of another. For proper connection, all plus signs need to be on the same side throughout the entire frame. Prior to install, it is recommended to charge your solar-powered control box for a minimum of 2 days. Refer to the video linked in the description to find out how. When ready, you will connect the retrofit kit to the control box using the appropriate cables. For further instructions, visit the link in the description. It will take you to the product on our website, where you will find a Documents tab with a downloadable PDF. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through live chat via the web or call the number on the screen.